everyone, welcome to episode number 2 of what I am eating today. I happen to be in between yoga classes. I'm going from one to the other, and oh, that poor birdie, oh no, oh goody, it's up. Anyway, so I had to stop out and get food. I didn't have anything to bring with me when I left the house today, so anyway, I stopped at the Whole Foods because it's kind of on the way to where I'm going. And I stopped and I got, again, I kept it plant-based again today. So I went in and I looked for something that I could just get something small because I am teaching yoga. So I don't want to have, too much food in my stomach while I'm possibly moving into some of these yoga poses. Anyway, so I have a vegan, if you can see it, one of the Sonoma salads from Whole Foods. I have one of those with I got myself a little Kombucha Synergy. I like the gingerberry, it's tasty. And I also have some mango for what is this, dried mangoes, organic dried mangoes. So these are the ones that don't have sugar added, right? You're trying to get the ones that are just the actual fruit, so you're not adding more sugar into your life. So again, this one is yes, I'm eating mangoes, but it's a fruit carb as opposed to a starchy carb. Not that I'm low carb or anything like that, but I'm not necessarily doing any intentional exercise, so I'm keeping my, right now, so I'm keeping my carbs low. I don't need them until when I need them, I will get them. So anyway, just wanted to share that this is what I am eating today, little vegan Sonoma salad with a kombucha with some dried mango, no sugar added, yeah, and that is what I'm having. Lots of protein, lower carb, except for the fruit, but still it's in the frame of low carb. So anyway, I hope that helps you. Until next time, see you later.